How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Clearpay on Amazon. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'm using Safari. After you do that, just search for Clearpay. After you search for it, tap on Go and you will see the Clearpay website. Open it up. Now here what you'll need to do is there is no direct way to link your Clearpay to Amazon. So here what you'll need to do is you'll need to buy your package or your gift cards or whatever you want to buy from here and then use that later on your Amazon. So just go to Amazon, and after you go to your Amazon, you can use your Clearpay on here. So there is no direct link here, but you can simply use that is buy your Clearpay and use it here. And that is basically it guys. That is how you use Clearpay on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button